Well, here's my solution that I came up with. Use a wall switch and tie it into the wiring here and there, because the other Dodge had the same problem. See how that switch is? The switch went to this vehicle here. So people are like, oh, just go take the one off that one. Well, pretty much, well, that one's got 400 and something thousand miles on it. So everything, there's a lot of everything on here that's busted already. This one's already had that problem. Those antiquity things that I found. Knick-knack and paddywhacks. Well, anyway, say I didn't have to go and figure out. I looked at this one and I took a picture of the wires that were connected. So I took that toggle switch, the light switch, out of this truck, and yeah, it suffered the same fate. Here's the switch that was in this truck. See, it's burnt right there. So it's same thing, same problem. Oh yeah, just go take it off. Yeah, it's broken. broke. Everything broken. Grab a little piece of wiring here. Well, maybe we'll get the wire clipper and cut a piece off. That way I can have headlights. So light switch is like $50, something like that. I'm sure you could probably find one cheaper online. I've never bought a single thing online in my life. I got people commenting on the video quality. You know how, which I have to agree. You know, Skills. He's like, it's like watching your videos censored and stuff like that. I agree. It's just like I commented to him when I started my YouTube account. I had no idea I was going to make videos, and it's 100 letters or more, numbers, characters, and letters. It's just like and then I started making videos, and I didn't think of, you know, you need like a password, like a word, like blue sky is here, you know, like, or something like that. I didn't do that. I didn't think about it. I wasn't thinking that I was going to make videos. So then I started making videos, and I didn't give it any consideration that the device that I'm using was going to start taking a crap. So the YouTube channel, as it stands now, I guess is terminal. So once the device gets lost or stolen or just stops working altogether, then there'll be no more YouTube videos. Not on this channel, because it'll just cease to exist. I think this wire is too thick. Actually, I gotta find thinner wire. It's a little hard to deal with, I think. See how easily I'm ready to give up on it? I gotta go for some thinner wire. It's a bit much. That's too thick. So I found thinner wire to work with. It's easier to tie onto there. I gotta get some tape of some kind. Okay, off, on. I can tell the lights are going on because they dim. See? Let's see if the headlights are on. All right. Free fix. This is what's known as, in my vernacular, free over good. Not free is better, just free with the greater sign over good. Because I gotta say, it's not really the best. But it is what it is. See, oh, there goes the buzzer. I know you guys love hearing the buzzer. And then this is for the dash lights. Make sure they function. So now everything is functioning again with the light switch dangling like that, and am I able to turn off the marker lights though? I might have to constantly remove that switch. Yep. See, that's the problem with that switch, is it's jammed, and so the marker lights stay on no matter what you do, because the switch control doesn't move hardly at all, because the innards are melted. So we're going to see if this switch at least works that much that way. Alright, got me the other switch out of the other Dodge. You see, this one plunges in a little bit further in than this one. See, this one doesn't go completely off. See how far out it is? See how this one goes in? This one doesn't do that. Broke. So I'm gonna rig this thing up here. Ooh, the buzzer doesn't work on this one. Something be wrong. Oh, there we go. Alright, so now I can switch off the marker lights if I want. And I got headlights. Off. On. There you go. Who could complain about a free fix, right? You! Ooh-wee! What do we got here?